My name is Alize Morris, a secure party creditor under the UCC-1 filed in Florida. American National being held in custody in Gulf County. I'm the agent of the said principal.
Who wrote that for you?
I did.
Why do you need to read it if you know what you're talking about?
Just memory.
Okay. Tell me what the 14th Amendment says.
All right, everyone, we've got an intense court hearing today. A sovereign citizen is going up against a tough, no-nonsense judge, and things don't go well for the sovereign citizen. The judge is really funny and calls out all the nonsense the sovereign citizen is saying. The judge goes straight to the point, and the sovereign citizen is completely confused. He's just reading from a script, and the judge makes him look silly. Let me know in the comments what you think about this guy, and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's jump in.
Mr. Morris, I know Mr. Hill was representing you in the 23174 case. You're here for an arraignment on the 24 CF49 case. Has your financial circumstances changed?
No, sir.
All right, I'm going to appoint the law officer here, Mark Sims, to represent you in the 24 case.
I can state this to the court.
You raise your right hand and
yes.
now that Mr. Hill is representing you, you probably want to talk to Mr. Hill before you say anything. We're recording this proceeding, so anything you say may be used against you. But I'm listening to whatever you want me to consider.
Yes, I'm not real sure what Mr. Morris is trying to claim, and that writing right there said he's not a citizen, and something about a secured.
My name is Alize Morris, a secure party creditor under the UCC-1 filed in Florida. American National being held in custody in Gulf County, which is not a 14th Amendment citizen of the United States. Not a record. So documentation, which is official records. To state it, I'm the agent of the said principal.
Who wrote that for you?
I did.
Why do you need to read it if you know what you're talking about?
Just memory.
Okay. Tell me what the 14th Amendment says.
That you are considered a slave under the 14th Amendment.
That who's considered a slave? I'm not a slave.
No, the incarcerated person. If you commit a crime.
Okay. Doesn't say if you commit a crime.
I absolutely love this judge. Guys, the way he's going straight for this sovereign citizen is pure gold. He's not putting up with any of their "I don't recognize your authority" nonsense. It's just a full-on courtroom showdown, and I'm all here for it. Also, the 14th Amendment basically says you have to follow the rules. It makes sure everyone born or naturalized in the US is a citizen and gets equal protection under the law. So when these sovereign citizens come in claiming they don't have to follow traffic laws because they're traveling and not driving, yeah, that doesn't work. The judge knows it, we know it, and I think even the sovereign citizen knows it deep down. Let me know what you think. Do they really believe their own arguments? There's no way. This guy is just reading from a script. I swear, there are so many sovereign citizens these days. It's like they all went to the same sketchy YouTube university and majored in bad legal advice. I don't consent, I'm a free inhabitant, the laws don't apply to me, blah blah, you hear it all the time. Meanwhile, the rest of us are out here paying our speeding tickets like responsible adults. Imagine thinking you can outsmart the entire legal system with a script you printed off the internet. It's delusional. But hey, it's great entertainment, so I'm here for it. And when they meet a tough judge like this one, I absolutely love it. Let's jump back in.
Or yeah.
That's not what it reads.
I got the 14th Amendment really wasn't in the book.
What book?
The book that we had in the back.
What book do you have in the back?
It's a law book.
What law book is it?
Florida statute book. Yes.
So the 14th Amendment isn't in the Florida statutes? That's because it's an amendment to the U.S. Constitution.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't know what the 14th Amendment reads?
The 14th Amendment reads not off on the top. Not off.
Okay.
That's why I've written.
What else do you want me to consider?
That I'm a secure party creditor under the UCC-1.
Tell me what the UCC-1 reads.
I wish I had my documentation in front of me to present it all the way. I wish I had someone here that was supposed to be here so I can have it.
I asked you who wrote that for you. You said you did.
I wrote it. Yes.
So do you know what you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
All right. So tell me what the UCC-1 reads.
It's the Uniform Commercial Code filed with the Secretary of State or within the entities under the contract with the Secretary of the State to maintain uniform commercial code records and database of judgment liens maintained by the Secretary of State.
Now tell me what UCC 1 reads.
It's a statement and it's a financial.
You don't know what the UCC 1 reads, do you?
Not on top.
You're not prepared You're not prepared this morning with your sovereign citizen argument. You needed some additional time to prepare.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you some additional time to prepare your sovereign citizen argument. When do you want to come back?
I would ask that he's got 2 cases. I know one we've got already got the discovery on that I need to go meet with him at the jail and go over. Being at the jail, I mean, I can find time between now and May 9th to go to the jail and take care of that.
All right, Mr. Morrison, you come back. Usually when sovereign citizens come in the courtroom, at least they can recite from memory a lot of the stuff they travel under. So next time you want to come with your sovereign citizen argument, be prepared, okay? I'll listen to you, but be prepared.
Yes.
But you're not doing justice to your fellow traveling nationals who consider themselves sovereign citizens if you're not prepared to even articulate what the argument is, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll see you May 9th at 1:30.
Today.
Be prepared next time, all right?
Yes, sir.
It should have a constitution in the back so you can read the 14th Amendment and be able to tell me what it reads. And
What it says right here. What is state?
we're going to May 9th at 1:30.
Machine into a contract.
That's not a contract. That's giving you notice that you're
Yes,
going to come back.
It's a nigga show.
You're fine. I'm not going to query you about what a contract is, but we'll talk about whatever you want me to consider next time. Take care.
I really think more judges should take notes from this guy. This judge completely made the sovereign citizen look like a fool. He didn't just shut him down, he sent him packing and even made him come back for another hearing. Huge props to the judge for staying calm but still laying down the law. We see it all the time. Sovereign citizens coming into court, interrupting every second, and wasting everyone's time like the world revolves around them. It's so frustrating, but watching a judge handle it this way is super satisfying. What really gets to me, though, is who do you think is paying for all this nonsense? That's right, it's us, the taxpayers. Every minute they waste with their made-up legal arguments is draining court resources, all on our dime. The clerks, the judges, everyone's time, it's not free. Imagine how many real cases get delayed because someone is arguing traffic laws don't apply to them. It's wild. Just pay the fine and move on with your life. But nope, they'd rather create a scene and act like the Constitution is their personal get-out-of-jail-free card. I'm going to wrap it up here. Let me know what you thought about this hearing in the comments. I love reading your thoughts. Was this judge a boss or what? Do we need more judges like him, or do you think he was too harsh? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. I've got plenty more where that came from. Thanks so much for watching, I really appreciate it, and as always, take care.